Welcome to my home lab. In this new video, we use GitHub Actions to build and push our Docker images to the registry. We do that all in Visual Studio Code. We start on the GitHub website. We are logged in on my account. We select the Python Hello World repository and go to Actions. You see, we have a lot of templates for Docker image, Python, etc. But we set up a workflow myself. Select it, and we created a new file, main YAML, in the Python Hello World repository .github directory workflows. We commit the changes, create main YAML, the main branch, commit changes. Now we look to the Python Hello World. We have here a new directory, .github with workflows. We open it and you see main YAML. Now we open Visual Studio Code, create our remote connection, the Fedora server. You see the opening, the remote. Et voilà. We are on the Fedora server. We open the Explorer, open folder. We are at the home directory, programming, Python, Python Hello World. Okay. Open Explorer and we have our files. Now we go to source control and do a pull request. It's okay. We go back to our Explorer and we see we have the GitHub directory. Open it, workflows, main. We open main. You see here we have an extension. Install it. Okay. GitHub Actions. It's installed. We can close that. Go back to our Explorer and you see here GitHub Actions. Go back to Explorer and we're gonna paste the code in the main YAML file. I paste the code in editor, clean it up. First we have name. This one you can call whatever you want. I do build and publish Docker image. On, that's the trigger. Workflow dispatch means manual start the action. You're going to see that in a minute. Then we have jobs. Again, a name, build and push. Also this one you can call whatever you want. You run all this. So we run the action on an Ubuntu latest. And we have two steps. The first step is an action from the marketplace, checkout version 4. Then we do build and push the Docker image. And here we have run, we have the commands. The first command is log in to our GitHub repository. So we have the address, the username, and the password. But you see, we have here a problem. I'll do that in a minute. Next, we have Docker build. with the dot, so the current directory, the address from the GitHub repository, username, and the name of the image with the tag latest. And the last step is to push this image to the registry. Again, address from the GitHub registry, username, and the name from the image with latest. You see, we have here two variables: secrets Docker GitHub username and secrets Docker GitHub access token. We do that now. We go to the website from GitHub. Inside the Python Hello World, we go to Settings. On the left, Secrets and Variables, Actions. And you see, you can create repository secrets. New repository secret. The name, Docker GitHub username, this one, without secrets, and the username. Okay. The next is the password or the token. Create new secret. We call it Docker GitHub access token. Paste it here. And here we paste the token. I do that outside the movie and add secret. Now we can go back to Visual Studio Code and save our main YAML. Control S. We go to source control and do update main.yaml. Commit and sync changes. Everything is okay. You can go to the website now and run the action. We open the browser. We have update main.yaml. You can open it. And you see the code is on our GitHub repository. We can now go to actions and we have build and publish Docker image. So this name is this name. See it here. It's always a good idea to give it a good name. You know what is happening. Back. We open it. And we can run it. Click on it. Branch main, run workflow. Okay. Wait a little bit. Sometimes it can take a moment. And voila. The build and publish Docker image is running. See it now and in progress. We wait some time to finish. You can open it in the meantime. See it here. And you see all the steps. You see, look, it's pushing. Building. Busy. And voila. The build and publish Docker image is green, is okay. We go to the repositories, packages, and we look at Python Hello from my home lab. We open it, And we see 2 minutes ago we have pushed the Python hello from my home lab to the GitHub registry as a latest. Now we're going to change the code a little bit and give it a different tag. We go back to Visual Studio Code and change here the latest with a different tag. I paste it. I give it a time zone and the date, year, month, date, dot, hour, dot, minutes. Again here, we change latest with the same tag. Time zone, for me it's Brussels, date, year, month, date, dot, hour, dot, minute. Again, Control S to save it. The next step is to go to source control, update main.yaml, commit and sync changes. We go to the site, open a project, go to main, open it, and you see we have our changes. Now we can go to actions, select the build and publish Docker image. The first time was 8 minutes ago. We run workflow, run at the main branch. Again, wait a moment before it appears. Sometimes it can take a moment. See, it's here, it's in progress. I'm going to speed up the video and come back when it's finished. Action is finished. We can go now to our repositories, packages, the Python hello from my home lab, and you see we have 2 tags. The latest from 9 minutes ago and the one with the date 2025, the month 7, the day 1, the hour 12, and the minutes 50. Published 1 minute ago. The last step is to run the action automatically. When we push our code to GitHub, the action will automatically run and create a new image. We go back to Visual Studio Code, have met code, copy it, paste it, on push, branches, main, like that. So what we do here, our workflow dispatch is manual run the code with the button like before in this video. But now we have push. So if we push some code to our GitHub repository in the main branch, this job will run. You do Control S to save it. We go to source control. Again, update main.yaml. Commit, sync changes. So our action is now ready to run. We go to Py and change a little bit code. I print an empty line with space. Control S, save it, and to push it, to commit it to the registry. Update test.py, commit, and sync changes. Now we go back to our GitHub website and look if everything is okay. See, you have 1 minute ago, 2025, 0701, month and date, hour 58. So every time we change our code in the main branch, actions are triggered and build a new image to our GitHub registry. We are at the end of this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you very much and see you later.